Okay, we already checked how we define or find Excel workbook objects or worksheet objects or range objects like that. So in this task, we want to see how we use them in our code. Okay? So let's open worksheet one more time. Okay, and our assumption is we already run through our previous subroutine titled my loop. Okay? So let's open Visual Basic and choose that one, and just above and sub we want to include this code, right? So these are the new code, and let's look at here. We already run through this, right? Before coming into these lines, it's run through this routine stuff, so got all this number from 1 to 17 line, and this code means we want to select this range from A1 to A17 that has all that numbers in there, right? So after we have it, after we select it, this is really kind of handy code with selected, with the selection, right? So it could be one cell, it could be a whole worksheet, or it could be just a range, right? So at this moment, whatever it is, right, with that selection, we already talk about this, right? That something is some kind of properties, right, in there. So we want to change the font. That's the meaning of it, right? So with the selection, now the font, and for the font there are many properties in there. And how about the name, and how about the size? So font name we want to change to Arial, okay? And size we want 14. And we should mention, we just end that with part, right? So this one do this kind of task on the selections, all the cells in the selection, right? Okay, so of course if you want to use this with selection, you have to have this part previous, right? We have to select certain area. Okay, so let's see what happens. Of course we already have this whole thing, but when we run this program again, it's gonna do this part again, right? So it's gonna do all together. Okay, let's finish it. Then can you see that? Select 1 through 17 and change the font to Arial, and font size should be 14. And it doesn't do like unselecting the range, so it's still selecting that area, right, that range. Okay, so if you want to really remove it, you can just add one more line like unselecting, or select another cell or something like that. Okay.